Okay, hi, mabuhay. Welcome back to the adventures of Miss Chuchubells, and as always, I am Victoria. So, as you guys know, my skin is bad, but for today, because I need to fix my skin, that's why you guys are here at night. All my lights are on because we're going to try the black green tea mask from Innisfree. So if you want to know how this performs, my first impression, stay tuned and let's get started. Okay, so this is how it actually looks like. It's it's black and it's a gel. I read online that it's made from black green tea. They did say that you're supposed to use this after toner. I've already washed my face, I've already taken a shower, but I don't want to use a toner at the moment because my toner is like, it has like blemish things going on. Okay, so let's go back to the black green tea thing. So it is say that it has black green tea, which is an antioxidant. So it's supposed to clear your face. It's supposed to moisturize and nourish your face. They did say it's supposed to have a cooling sensation. So let's put this on my face. So this is the Innisfree black green tea mask. I just spritz my face with water. You're supposed to use toner, but I just don't want to. Then with my Real Techniques face mask brush, I'll get, oh, so this is how it looks like. It does have green tea leaves, and then we'll just spread it all over my face. I've learned my lesson the hard way, just because I was using sunscreen when we were in Bali, but I didn't. I'll make sure that you don't put it in your eyes. So here, oh, it does have a. It's supposed to. That's why I'm using mask now, is because I read that this is supposed to give you like cooling sensation. Because I know my skin is hating me right now. So because I'm burned, as in I'm burned. um I'm having pimples, breakouts. It's not because of my trip or any, it's actually because of something that I use. And you want to use this, I should have, this is the, it's also from the face shop, it's the Jeju Aloe Ice. it's it's supposed to calm my skin, but I should have known that aloe actually breaks me out. I like masks, but I can't use it as often as I need, only when I need it. Then this is how it looks like. um we'll wait for 10-15 minutes and then we'll wash it off and I'll bring you, so I'll be back. So I think it's like 10-12 minutes has passed. So this is how, oh, it's sticky. It's really sticky. So you're supposed to wash this with lukewarm water, so I'll do that now, then I'll come back. It's not tight actually. You don't feel like your face is like, it's not, it's comfortable, but when you touch it, it's sticky. So I guess that's why you have to wash it with lukewarm water. Okay, so I'll be back. Okay, so that was not so difficult. Oh my goodness, there's still some in my hairline, but anyways, Let's dry my face now and see. And I just said it was not difficult. So I'll be using a cotton pad. I don't use towels to dry my face because I realized when I stopped using towels, my skin was a little bit better. It was not as sensitive as, oh my god, I hate it when I have pimples. It's not even because of the skincare, the travel skincare that I did, because I didn't even break out when I was in Bali. Only when I started using the aloe, because I felt like, oh, I need to cool down my skin. But then I guess it's wrong. So now what I'm going to do is spray it. I don't even feel anything different. Maybe I felt that my skin is like cleaner. Let's spray some more, like water. Then spray it out. Okay. Then after which I need to use this Hada Labo oil. It's for acne. So like two, not even squirts. And then in my hand, I'll just press it in. Because my skin now is like irritated, I will not be using any other like serums. I'll just be doing like toner now tonight. I'll just use toner and moisturizer. And for tonight's moisturizer is this Hada Labo. If you watch my pack with me video, you know that this is like, I bought it for $5. Then I don't want to waste it, so I have to finish it. And it didn't break me out when I was using it in Bali, which was like a few days, so I'm fine. All my breakouts is due to the aloe vera that I use, which are stupid. Because aloe vera is supposed to soothe and cool your skin, which is true. But then there are some people that is allergic to aloe vera. Any extras, put it at the back of your hand. Your hand needs it because signs of aging is actually foreseen in your neck and the back of your hands. So any extra skincare that you have, just put it, and then I tap. I'll spread it like as lightly as possible, light strokes, and then this, and then this. And then it's okay that your face looks like shiny and oily. Give your skin like time to like absorb the product. My skin is dehydrated. It's not, oh my goodness, this is so bad. And then I'll do my eye cream. This is again from Uriage. This is also again a sample that I got, and I'm trying to finish it. So eye cream, just dot 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 dot, and then tap 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 with your ring finger, because the ring finger is the weakest finger that you have. And again, the skin around your eyes are the most delicate, so you have to be careful. Just tap it in. And then this lip balm. There are days that I would be using a lip scrub, but this past few days I was not wearing any lipstick, so it's just fine. Then touch my face, see how it feels okay. So now it's time to put on the spot treatment. So I've been using this Neutrogena on the spot treatment for the longest time. I mean, I was using this in my 30s, I think in my 20s. I've always been a Neutrogena girl. Yeah, so just put it on the spot where you have pimples. I have a lot, so I'm going to use a lot. It doesn't have this sensation or yeah, but I like it because this works for me. I mean, I always have this because I am prone to breakouts, but before my breakouts actually get worse and huge, you have to treat them first. So I have this, and then because I pump a lot, like extras, let's put it all over because I do have like dark spots. So that's it. Now it's time to sleep. So if you like this type of video wherein I share with you like my basic skincare routine or like review on the mask, what do I even think of the mask? It didn't do anything for me, but I guess I'm going to see it tomorrow. I'm not so sure, but it just didn't feel anything. I didn't feel that my face was moisturized or it was like it was soothed. I think I should just use a facial mask next time, and I think I would have better luck with that. So if you like this type of videos wherein I share with you those things and then we try them together, please give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos at least once a week. Where's the camera? At least once a week. So till my next adventure, please remember to be courageous, kind, and a blessing to everyone you meet. Bye.